Today, I'm sharing an effective remedy on how to shrink open pores fast and get soft, smooth, and even skin. We will need flaxseeds also. Please subscribe to my channel. Take 1 tablespoon flaxseeds and grind it, and make fine powder. Flaxseeds work in reducing the size of open pores on the face by reducing the secretion of excess oil. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of rose water in flaxseeds powder. Please press the like button. Flaxseeds also packed with omega-3 fatty acid, which are good for your skin. One teaspoon lemon. If you like video, please like, subscribe, comment, and share with your family and friends. One teaspoon honey. Mix all the ingredients very well. I am using 1/3 teaspoon of rose water because mixture is thick to apply. Leave it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, flaxseeds pack is ready to apply. Mix it again. How to use. Apply your face evenly and leave it for 30 minutes and then rinse the face with cold water. Apply this pack 3 times in a week. How to remove. Gently remove with the help of a spoon, then wash with water. Thanks for watching.